In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Workspace business emails. This process is straightforward, and once you become familiar with it, shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Let's get started by heading to the Google Workspace. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Workspace website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the option labeled Admin Console. This option is essential as it serves as the central hub for managing your business emails and any related settings. After selecting the admin console, you will be prompted to log in. It's important here to use your business email credentials rather than your personal Gmail account. This ensures that you're accessing the correct administrative tools and settings linked to your business accounts. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the admin management area, and on the top right corner, you'll notice a Google Apps menu. Click on this to see a drop down of app icons. From here, locate and click on the admin icon. This is where you'll be spending most of your time, as it's the heart of user management within Google Workspace. Next, you'll want to set up your directory, so go on and head over to the directory section. Within this section, there are various management tools and options available. To move forward, click on Users. Here you can view all the users currently associated with your business's Google Workspace. At this stage, we're ready to add a new user. To do so, there will be an option to add new user. Click on this button to begin entering the necessary user details. Now, you will see a series of fields that need to be filled out. Start by typing in the new user's first name. Make sure you double check the spelling for accuracy. Following that, enter their last name in the next available field. This might seem trivial, but it's crucial to avoid errors so that all correspondences are correctly addressed. Proceed by entering the user's primary email, followed by their secondary email if applicable. Their primary email will be their main Google Workspace address, while secondary details might be used for recovery or secondary contact purposes. Ensuring these are correct helps maintain smooth communication and access. Once all the details are correctly filled in, you can finalize the process by clicking on the Add New User button. When you do this, the new user is now successfully added to your business's Google Workspace. And there you have it. You've just set up a new business email using Google Workspace. This simple process helps ensure that your team can stay connected and communicate effectively within the organization. If you have any further questions or need additional support, feel free to explore Google Workspace's help resources or reach out to their support team. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.